In this video, we will see how to install NVM or Node Version Manager, and then we will be installing Node and NPM inside our newly created NVM environment. So the command to install NVM is once the installation is completed, you have to copy the last 3 lines and then set it in your path. For Mac Catalina, you should set it inside .ezshrc file, and for Mac Mojave and below, you can set it into your bash profile. Since I am on Mac Mojave, I am installing it into my bash profile. The command is instead of bash profile, if you are on Mac Catalina, enter .ezshrc. Get to the bottom, press the I button in keyboard, and then paste the values. Click escape button, :WQ, exclamatory mark, and then run the source command, which will reload the bash profile. Now let us go ahead and then check the installation. If you type NVM in your terminal, you can see a list of all the commands. This ensures that NVM has installed successfully. Now let us install the latest version of Node inside this. The command for that is nvm install the latest version of NVM is 12.16.3, so I'm going to enter that version number into terminal. This will install the Node version 12.16.3, and at the same time it will also install the npm. Now let us check the Node version. This says 12.16.3 is installed successfully, and for npm it is 6.14.4. Let us check where the Node package exists. It is inside the NVM directory. In this video, let us see how to install Appium, Webdriver, and Appium Doctor. The command to install Appium is, you can see that -g param, which ensures that Appium is getting installed globally in your Mac. Wait for a few minutes for the installation to complete. The installation is completed successfully. Now let us go ahead and install Webdriver agent. Now finally let us install Appium Doctor. And here again you can notice that I am using -g to install Appium Doctor globally. All the installations are completed. Now let us check the Appium version. We are on 1.17.1, and with Appium Doctor we are on 1.15.1.